How to check balance on Visa gift card. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you on how you can go ahead and check the balance for your gift card right here. So let's just go ahead and say that you have used some of the gift card balance and you want to know if there's still some left. Now, if you have a card like this one, this is the physical card, you will then go ahead and see a number behind this card right here where you can go ahead and basically call in order to know your Visa gift card balance. Basically, it will go ahead and look something like this. Right after that, you can then head over to some website like the giftcards.com website where you can directly check the balance of your gift card. So you can just head over to this website right here, and once inside, all you have to do is to basically enter the 16-digit number of your card, enter the expiration date and the CVV, and just click on check balance. From there, you will be able to check your balance on your gift card. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.